Hello everyone, today I will talk about resistor in electronics. A resistor is one of the most common components used in electronic circuit. Its main function is to control or limit the flow of electric current in circuit. It's a passive component and the value of resistor is measured in ohms. Resistor play a crucial role in implementing Ohm's law, V equals to IR, which describe the relationship between voltage, current and resistance. Next, why resistors are used? Resistors are used in circuit for several important purposes. First of all, current limiting. To protect components from excessive current flow, resistor helps in voltage dropping and signal conditioning, and they are also used for biasing active components. There are different types of resistor used in electronics. Fixed resistor have a constant resistance value. Variable resistance such a potentiometer also has to change the resistance manually. Surface mount resistor are commonly used in modern PCB designs. There are also special resistor like thermistor and photoresistor that change resistance with temperature or light. Here we can see some common uses of resistor such as voltage divider, pull-up resistor and current limiting application. One very common use of resistor is a voltage divider circuit. The two resistors connected in series can divide a voltage into smaller parts. The technique is widely used in sensor circuit and analog input of microcontrollers. It's a basic circuit diagram on LED current limiting. When we connect an LED directly to a power supply, too much current can damage the LED. So we use a series resistor to limit the current and protect the LED. Its most common use of a resistor. Next, pull up and pull down resistor. It's very common in microcontroller and embedded systems. They ensure that a digital input pin stay at a defined logic level when no signal is present. Resistors are also used in more advanced circuit. For example, they are used in RC timing circuit. They are part of feedback networks in amplifier, and they are used as current sensing resistor, also called shunt resistor. Now the most important things is color code. Most through-hole resistor use a color code system to indicate their resistance value. Each color band present a number. By reading the color bands, we can determine the resistor value. Like black is 0 and brown is 1. In practical application, resistors are widely used in power supply circuit, embedded system and analog signal processing to control voltage, current and signal levels. So this was all about resistor and their application in electronics. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, feel free to ask.